Welcome to Drops on Li. So today we're talking about this particular testnet called the Camp Network Testnet. So in this video, I'll be showing you all you need to do and know as regards to this particular testnet. So you ensure you watch this video to the very end. So if today is your first time joining us or you're yet to subscribe to our new channel, please you do it to support this channel by subscribing to it. Okay, you can as well like and share our video as well. Okay, comment and also, you can also join our Telegram community. Okay, so for this video, a quick introduction for this particular testnet. So now this Camp Network testnet, they have raised up to $29 million so far. So and this particular airdrop is confirmed. Okay, so currently they are in the phase 2 part of this particular testnet. As you can see, the V2, which was launched on 27th May, right? So but the V1, the phase is still active, right? So in this video, I'll be showing you how to position yourself for both the V2 and the V1 aspect of this particular test so that you'll be eligible for this particular testing. So now all the links I'll be moving through is going to be down there in the description. Just go over there and then you click on it and then come along with me. Okay, so now let's start with the V2 first. Okay, that's the phase 2 part of this testnet. So now once you get on the link, you're going to have access to this particular dashboard. Okay, so here we have to sign in using a MetaMask wallet. So I'll just go ahead and then sign in immediately. Okay, so all right, I'm done with the signing in. So now first of all, there are so many segments here, so but first let's just start with clicking on this quest. I'll still come back and explain all these things. So now once you click on this quest, you are going to have access to all the tags here. Okay, so now here we have mainly social media tags, okay, and then the on-chain one. So but for the sake of this video, we just do only social media tags, okay, mainly the Twitter followings. Okay, so just click on this one. Okay, you're going to be taken to your Twitter and then you are going to be come over here, follow this particular page and then come back here and then claim the point. Okay, so just like I said, for the sake of this video, we just do mainly the followings on this Twitter, and at the end of it I'll be showing you the point that we accumulated by doing this particular task. Okay, so you just watch and then follow along. Okay, so all right, so now I'll just do this follow here and then head back to the main dashboard and then claim the point. Okay, for each one you do just click on it, you'll be taken to the Twitter. Okay, so I'm just doing mainly now basically the followings on the Twitter. Okay, so at the end of this video I'll show you the progress that we have done by doing just these tags. Okay, so now they have so many segments here, but this quest contains all the tags in all the segments. Okay, so just do as much as you can here. Okay, as you're doing that, you are accumulating points for yourself. Okay, so I'll still show you the progress that we just made. Okay, so just have patience as we do just few of these ones. Okay, so all right, so just only followings for now, followings on the Twitter. Okay, all right, so almost done with this. Claim your points, but before you have access to this, you must have first authorized. So once you click on the first one, you'll be asked to authorize your account. Okay, authorize your your Twitter and then your Discord as well too, right? So now we are done with the first one. Okay, so now once you come over here, now as you can see here, there are so many segments here, but just like I said, that this quest here contains every single one of those tags. Okay, so if you click on the individual one, you have access to the individual tags. Okay, but if you're able to complete the ones here in this quest, you're going to be able to complete all other quests here. Okay, so that's the first thing you have to do. Now if you come over to this place, the progress. Okay, so this progress contains, or let me say, it shows you the level of progress you have made so far in each of the segments. As you can see here, we have different segments. Okay, so but the ones we just did now were just mainly followings on the Twitter. Okay, so by doing these things we have achieved this this progress so far. Okay, so this helps you to keep track of the progress I've made so far. Now coming over to leaderboard here, you'll be seeing the number of points that you have accumulated and then your ID as well too. So as you do that, you will be your own will also appear here as well. So that's basically what you have to do here. So in this v2 aspect, just complete all the quests there, right? So that's all for the v2. Now for the v1 aspect of this particular testnet, I will just show you what you need to do quickly. Okay, so just like we did in the other one, is similar to the v2. Okay, both the v1 and the v2 are similar. Okay, but I'll just show you all you need to do now. So now coming over to the link here, so you're going to connect with your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so just like I said, that there are similarity in both the v1 and v2, such that we have to complete, do those quests as well to those tasks here. So here in this particular one, they are grouped. Okay, so based on, they have different segments, each segment have their own tags, right? So as you can see, the story chain, and then the other ones, and each one have their own. So, and each of the segments have Twitter followings, and then some other on-chain activities you have to do as well too. But for the sake of this video, we just do mainly the Twitter followings. Okay, I will still show you the progress we have made from it. Okay, just like we did in the v2 aspect. Okay, so just watch as we do this. So we're going to do just basically the Twitter followings. Okay, the ones that we can do in Twitter. We just go over there and follow the account, and then come back and then claim the points. Okay, so that's what we're going to do here. So maybe later you see how to come back here and complete every other task that you are seeing here, both the ones there, the Telegram, the ones that are going to we are going to be taking to your Discord to follow or to verify. We have to complete all those tasks. They are very quite easy to do. Just follow the instructions and then complete all those tasks. Okay, so and then each one you do, come back and then claim the points. Okay, so claim the points, do it, come back, claim the points, and then you accumulate the point. Okay, so that's basically what you have to do here. Okay, so I'll just do a few more, and then I will show you guys the summary of what we just did now. Okay, so that's what you have to do here. So there are lots of them, each segment have its own, okay, to do. So just do this and then accumulate the points for yourself, right? So I'll just do a few more, and then I will now show you the points that we made. Okay, so you go ahead and complete the rest, right? So basically we're just doing only now the Twitter followings. That's what we can do now. Okay, for the sake of this video, right? So that's what we have to do. All right. Okay, so we still have the Telegram on, the Discord on. Just go ahead and complete those ones. Okay, so that will stop for now for this task. So now, as you can see here, if you go up, scroll up, you will see that here we just made 21 points. So next is to click on the next link. So come over to this place. So here we have to claim faucet token. So now come over here, connect with your wallet, that's your MetaMask wallet, and then we have to claim these ones. Just watch. We have to claim this one, claim this, and then this one as well. Okay, so once you do that, come over here, click on here, and then verify, and then get token. So I'll just connect my MetaMask wallet immediately. Get token, right? So once you do that, you'll be able to claim this. But for now, I can't claim the first one. So the criteria is that I must have one link before I will be able to claim this. Okay, so but the other ones, I don't know, I think we can also claim the other ones. Okay, now we claimed the remaining ones, but the first one we couldn't claim it because we need at least one link, okay, in my wallet. Okay, so let me check. One link costs, okay, one link costs $15. Okay, so I will just go over there. You can still buy this from what's it called, from Binance. Go over to Binance and buy, purchase this one link, okay, chain link. Okay, go purchase it, and then you can able to claim for the first one. Okay, so that's what I have to do, right? But this first, the remaining two, I was able to claim it. But the main one is that first one. Okay, so now head over to the next link. So come over here to swap those faucet token that you just claimed. Okay, so once come over here, connect with your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so connect. So after you're done with the connection, but this particular website for now is still having some little issue. So as you can see, it's not yet loaded. Okay, so now, but what you're going to do here, I'll just tell you what you're going to do. So once come over here, you have to make swaps. Okay, to swap from separate chain to this scam chain. So just go over there and make these swaps. Okay, so that's what you have to do here basically. So but for now it's not working, so just make as much swap as you can. Okay, so you can also see the level of the ones that you have done. Okay, if you go to that certain aspect. Okay, so that's basically what you have to do in this particular site. Okay, so the v1 site. Okay, so just complete all these things and then push yourself for this particular airdrop. So now the summary of it is that you have to come over here for the v1, claim this faucet token. Okay, so once you claim it and then come back here and then make swaps. Okay, so for now it's not working, but I'm still going to come back here and make some swaps. Okay, once I claim those faucet token and then come over here to see the number of the ones that you have already able to swap. Okay, so that's basically what you have to do here. All right, so so now complete all these quests. Okay, as you can see we have 21 points. So complete all these many ones, go over there and complete all these things. Okay, so that's what you have to do here for this v1 aspect, right? So make swaps and then complete it. Now for the v2, the phase 2 aspect that we are currently doing now, ensure you complete all these quests here. They're very important to complete it. We just did only the Twitter following, so we still have the ones to do in the the Discord and the on-chain ones. Okay, please complete all these things and then head over to progress to see the level of the ones that you have done. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's all for this particular video. So if you have any questions, please do where to ask there in the comment section. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do please support us. If you like what we are doing here, like, share our videos, subscribe. Okay, so thank you so far and see you in the next video.